Right, so in question 4, we need to do these calculations about a calculator. So we'll use our complementary angle rules. So let's write a few down. We got cos 80. So the rule for cos, 90 minus theta, that's going to be equal to sine theta. You may also use sine theta. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. But we notice we've got a cosec 31 here. And I want to change my cosec 31 to sec 31. So cosec 31 degrees is cosec is 1 on sine 31 degrees. So we want to change cosec to 1 on sine. So we need to do that here to help us. So we got cos 80 on sine 10 plus cos 59 on sine 31. So this would just drop down because it's a reciprocal. So sine 31 like that. So cos 80 using these rules here, whichever one you want to use. So cos 80 we could rewrite as cos 90 minus 10 on sine 10 plus cos 59. So that's going to be cos 40, let's see, cos 59. Let's see, how do we want to change that? Cos 90 minus 31 sine 31. Okay, so when you're doing this calculation for me, you should show me your steps, how you're using these ratios here. So write this as the next slide. 90 minus 10 is 80. 90 minus 31 is 59. So now we can say cos 90 minus 10, well, that's the same as sine 10. So we got sine 10 on sine 10. Cos 90 minus 31, that's the same as sine 31. Sine 31. So you've got sine 10 on sine 10, which is 1. Sine 31 on sine 31, which is 1. So you'll get 2 as your final answer. Okay, so in question B here, as I mentioned, we've got sec and cosec. So I recommend to change these. So sec 42 is 1 on cos 42. And cosec 42 is 1 on sine 42. So let's change it to these fractions. These are reciprocal ratios. So we've got sine 48 times sec, which is 1 on cos 42, plus cos 48. Cosec is 1 on sine, so we'll put 1 on sine 42 here. And if you like, we can join these back as a single fraction. So sine 48 on cos 42 plus cos 48 on sine 42. Now, actually, now we can use complementary angle rule. So sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. And cos 90 minus theta is the same as sine theta. So sine 48 can be written as sine 90 minus 48 on cos 9 minus 42 rather. Erase that, 9 minus 90 minus 42. Okay, that's better. And that would be cos 42 and cos 90 minus 42, which is cos 48, sine 42. So sine 90 minus 42 is the same as cos 42. So we're going to get cos 42 on cos 42. Cos 90 minus 42 is the same as, what's that? What do we got here? Sine, this is going to be sine, okay, sine 42. Just checking then. Okay, sine 42. Okay, so cos 42 on cos 42 is 1. Sine 42 on sine 42 is also 1. So you get, again, you'll get 2 as your final answer.